Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to add your blood pressure machine readings on your Android or iOS smartphones using only camera. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using our Android smartphone. So if you're using a iOS smartphone like iPhone, still the tricks will remain the same. So if you're using a Android smartphone, just open the Play Store, and if you're using a iOS smartphone, then just open the App Store. And just search for one application named as Snapsana. Now on the first list, you'll see the application. Just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just tap on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. Just proceed by clicking on next. Now just turn on this sync to hell. Click on continue. Now just click on this allow all. Click on allow. Click on next. Now here you can add your custom text. So I'll just leave it as it is right now. Click on next. Now select your arm measurement. So if you're using a left arm for measuring your blood pressure, then just select the left arm. And if you have measured your blood pressure using the right arm, then just select the right arm. So here in my case, I have measured using the left arm. So I'm going to select the left arm. Click on next. Now you can see some instructions more. Click on next again. Click on get started. Click on next, click on continue, click on allow. So here you can purchase the different subscriptions if you wish after trying it. So don't worry, you can try it firstly without needing to pay anything. So if you like it, then you can purchase the different plans depending upon your needs, or you can see all plans and pricing also. So here you can choose the lifetime pricing also, whichever you want. And now below you will see here different option, capture records, states and settings. So I'll not go through all the information here. So in order to add your blood pressure machine readings on your respective Android or iOS smartphone, just use this option, capture reading. Click on continue, click on while using the app. So right now, let me capture a blood pressure machine reading. Now just click on this camera shutter. So now you can see here all the readings, that is the values regarding the systolic, diastolic and pulse has been added automatically, as you can see here, exactly the same. And on the above, you can select the body positions, whether you have standing positions or sitting positions or lying down on the bed position also. So right now I'll select the sitting position since I have taken the blood pressure while I'm sitting and I have measured it using the left arm. So if it's on the right arm, then just select the right arm. And once you have added, you can click on the save reading, and even you can add a notes depending upon your needs here. Click on save reading. So now you can see here, and even you can enter manually also. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add your blood pressure machine readings on your Android or iOS smartphones using only camera very easily. So if you never known about a cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.